So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-delete all in just one click sa ating messenger chats. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung messenger app na gagamitin natin. So kung hindi pa yan updated guys, pwede kayong mag-update sa inyong Google Play Store or sa App Store. So ayan guys, open lang natin yung ating messenger account or yung ating messenger app. And ayan guys, pagka-open mula dito sa pinakang chat list, kung makikita nyo kung updated yung inyong messenger, may makikita kayo dito ang 3 horizontal dots tulad nito. And pag tinap nyo yan guys, yan yung lalabas, select chat. So tatap nyo lang yung select chats. And dito guys, pwede na agad kayong mamili or lagyan nyo ng checkmark yung gusto nyong i-delete na mga conversation or messages. So ngayon guys, mas mapapabilis nang magbura tayo ng mga message dito sa Messenger. Hindi katulad dati guys na manual, i-delete pa natin yan isa-isa. Pero dito, lalagyan nyo lang ng checkmark. And tatap nyo lang yung delete button or delete. So andito guys yung delete button sa taas. Tap nyo lang yung delete. And dito, i-confirm nyo lang. So, delete 5 chats. So, then delete. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, automatic nabura lahat ng laman or messages ko dito sa aking messenger. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga mag-delete all ng messages in just one click sa ating messenger. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.